Hello marble guys, here is GraviTrax, also known as Emil. Today we're unboxing the electric cannon from the power and base collection of GraviTrax. The electric element retails for €26.99 in Europe. You can change the signal color from red, green to blue. The green button kicks the ball, which is in the electric cannon. But you can also use your controller and click the button with the signal color. If you want to use your electric cannon as an infinite loop machine, you just have to use 2 triggers at the entrances. But without triggers, the electric cannon has to be pushed manually with this button, and the magnetic cannon has also to be pushed, but with a lot of strength. The same with the vertical cannon. I also made an unboxing on it. The vertical cannon is half automatic, by the way, but it gains a lot of height. If there only was an element which gains a lot of height and also functions automatically every time. Yeah, that's the lever. So as you can see, the electric cannon also gains 5 heighters. It's not fully automatic, but it works just like the lever. The electric cannon, the first ever cannon which works infinitely. Yeah, it sounds too good to be true. If you want an easy affordable element which functions automatically, you probably should buy the elevator or the lever, because the triggers double and triple the price. But if you already have some triggers, you're good to go. But if you only use the extensions once, you should think about a magnetic or vertical cannon, which adds a lot of height. If you enjoyed this video, you can watch other unboxings, linked here on the end screen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, if you dare.